guys, so today I am showing you this really beautiful, like it's a warm toned eye with a bright summer lip. I feel like it's so summery and gorgeous. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I did this eye off camera and I'm gonna show you guys it on this side. I'm gonna use the Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer. I just like this because it cancels out the veins on my eyes and primes the eyeshadow, primes the eyelid for eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to blend that in. For the eyeshadow today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm going to take the Real Techniques shading brush and this cream shade right here and just set down my inner corner to brow bone area with that. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques Essential Crease brush and this transition shade right here, the warm one, warm brown color, and I'm going to first kind of pack that down all the way in, and then I'm gonna lightly sweep it to blend it out without making it too harsh. That's our base, and then I'm going to use the Morphe M124 brush and the shade, the Loreal in 24-hour infallible eyeshadow in the shade Amber brush. It's a really beautiful shade and like so wet looking. Mine broke. I don't know how that happened, but it's not a big deal. I just take it on the brush and then kind of tap it off. And then I'm gonna put this on the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner, well, of my lid, and just leave the center bare. Take the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to use another L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Iced Latte, and I'm going to pack that on the center where we left it bare. Then I'm going to do my face makeup now. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams, just the cream putty primer. And I take a lot of this and just dot that all over my face and blend it in. I use my Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy foundation and just that all over my skin. And then I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend that in. Love the beautiful dewy finish. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to first put that all over my acne spots. And then under my eyes and down my T-zone. But I like to put it on my acne spots first and let it sit there while I do my under eyes and my T-zone, because it helps add more coverage. I'm going to set my face with my favorite powder, the Maybelline Fit Me. Tap it and tap my sponge into the powder, and I set my under eyes first. And just set my whole face like that, just pressing it down. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use my Milani Matte Monoi Butter Bronzer. This one is the warmest, the warmest bronzer in my collection. So I really like this one. This is the Baked Powder Blush in Luminoso. I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. Adds a nice sheen, and it's kind of like a warmer toned blush. So my camera cut out at me, so I don't know what it cut out, but I used my Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I also added that to my inner corners, and now I'm going to do my brows. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush, and just fill them in with the powder. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, and I'm just applying that in my waterline. I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It's a long name for a mascara, but I love this mascara so much. And I'm just gonna obviously put that on my lashes. And then I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to use my Essence Stay 8 lip liner, and this one is in the shade You and Me Ship. And I'm just going to line my lips with that. I'm going to top that off with the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amore. And it's just a really nice, like, bright, summery red. And this is the finished summer bold red lip makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.